Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. So we can start with the body and then we're going to go to the tail, and I just kind of get that swoop of the tail. I don't worry about exactness, kind of the general rhythm that I want throughout the drawing. It's just a matter of shapes. To build that kitty, kind of looks like a snowman now. And kind of the swoop of the ears too. I don't worry about exactness. It's the bigger picture I'm after. The general shape of a cat, and this is a really good one for a silhouette. Because you can tell that's a cat, can't you? Please drop me a comment. I just love to hear from you. Help build this community of crazy cat artists. Just tell us about yourself or your cat or what country you live in or whatever. We've got people from all over the place. So I'm just kind of putting the tabby stripes in, and the tabby stripes are also helping me shape the contour of the cat's back, right from the back of the head down to the bottom. Tabby stripes are wonderful for really building contour. You're going around the shape of the cat's body parts and helping shape them. Darken up those lines around the outside to help things stand out a little. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? Let me know in a comment. I get lots of ideas from viewers' comments. You wouldn't see much of whiskers, but we'll put a little suggestion there. I felt that was a bit too strong. It took away from the tail, so we'll lighten it up. Put a bit of shading tone beside Kitty. You know, you can do as much as you want to on this. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. It's all about finding your own style in your cat art. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.